Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update. Of course, we're starting out here with an update on Tropical Storm Nicholas. Actually did make hurricane landfall here along the Texas coastline, but the latest advisory dropped the wind speeds back down to 70 miles per hour, so now officially a tropical storm once again, and we will feel some of the impacts in the Arklatex today. Still think the impacts here will be pretty minimal to us, but the rain and cloud cover that's out there, it will keep our temperatures a little bit cooler. So again, I think that's the thing that most of us will feel today, but there will be some rain out there, especially south of Interstate 20, and you can see a rather messy look here at Nicholas, which is going to be kind of scooting along the coastline. We're still in the cone of uncertainty here, but the forecast models have been pushing this further and further to the south, which is actually taking that threat of heavy rain away from most of us here, and you can see all the precipitation, our rain that's associated with Nicholas here. It's kind of loaded on the east side of the storm here, so unfortunately our friends here along the coastline that are still trying to recover from Ida, they're looking at another maybe 2 to 5 inches of rain with this system, if not more, across southeast Louisiana. I would be surprised if we did see anybody in the Arklatex pick up over 4 inches of rain, but what we're looking at today, a lot of cloud cover out there just with those tropical bands moving across the region. That's what will keep us cooler, but you can see today basically the rain will be lightly scattered across I-30, so you're not going to see much rain in Texarkana. It will be scattered in Shreveport, so occasionally today we could see a passing shower or two, and if we start to tap into any steady rain, it's south of Interstate 20 here, so folks in Shelby County, Sabine and Natchitoches parishes, that's where we could have the steadier type rain playing out this afternoon. And we still don't have a flash flood watch, but I'll tell you, if we get 3 to 4 hours of some steady rain here, we'll probably see some flooded roadways. Probably won't be a widespread issue, but something folks there will have to be mindful of, as we are showing the potential again for some decent rain here, especially across I-49 through Natchitoches Parish. So we will have some of this rain out there again tomorrow. That will likely keep us a touch cooler here. And as far as the rainfall projections, I'll show you a couple different maps here. This is our in-house model, which is showing most areas less than 2 inches of rain. The yellow would be the 3-inch amounts, and it's showing it just south of our borders here in the Arklatex. But the Weather Prediction Center, again, the meteorologists there look at all the forecast models, and they put together this outlook, and it's the rain for the next 7 days or so. But most of this would be associated with Nicholas. They're still thinking there's a corridor here where we could see maybe 3 to 4 inches of rain across Sabine and Natchitoches parishes, maybe an inch in Shreveport, and probably less than half an inch of rain in Texarkana, so we will avoid any kind of major issues with this system. Now, you may be curious about the winds. We're dealing with a tropical storm here, so it will be a breezy day. The winds this morning out of the east and southeast about 10 miles per hour. We do have a lake wind advisory that kicks in this afternoon. That does include Shreveport as our sustained wind, about 10 to 20 miles per hour, so it will be a breezy day, and I think we will see a few wind gusts maybe in the 25 mile per hour range. That is definitely not going to be enough to cause any widespread power outages or things of that nature. But again, you catch a wind gust here, we could see a few tree limbs get snapped occasionally here, but wind will not be a big issue with this storm. Temperature-wise today, almost exactly mirroring yesterday, low 70s to start out, and we should have most areas in the 70s and low 80s this afternoon, so we'll enjoy a little bit cooler air here today as well as tomorrow. Should see the majority of this rain kind of taper off tomorrow morning, but we may see some lingering storms tomorrow afternoon. Thursday, Friday, slight chance of rain. We start to warm it back up as we head into the weekend, but the messy weather pattern continues. We have a pretty decent chance of seeing some afternoon showers through the weekend and into early next week.